What if the real problem after 50 isn't aging, but slowly becoming weaker without even noticing it? Strength fades, breathing feels shorter, and muscles don't respond like before. But the real danger isn't aging, it's accepting that decline is normal, because once you accept it, you stop doing what could reverse it. The truth is, your body can regain strength, mobility, and stability with just a few simple exercises you can do at home, at your own pace. No gym, no complicated routines, just consistency. Exercise 1. Push-ups. They may seem basic, but they are one of the most effective upper body exercises ever. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps, muscles you use every day to push, lift, and support yourself. They also engage your core, improving posture and reducing back pain. If full push-ups feel too hard, start with wall push-ups. Then progress to incline push-ups using a table or sofa. Then knee push-ups and eventually full push-ups. Keep your body straight, elbows at a slight angle, and move with control. Even 5 to 10 reps is a great start. Focus on quality, not speed, and you'll feel the difference quickly. Exercise 2. Squats. Every time you sit or stand, you squat. This movement keeps you independent. Squats strengthen your legs, improve joint health, and help prevent muscle loss with age. Start with assisted squats using a chair. As you get stronger, move to free squats. Keep your chest up, push your hips back, and don't let your heels lift. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Take your time with each repetition and stay in control of the movement. Exercise 3. Planks. Your core is more than abs. It supports your spine and balance. Weakness here leads to back pain and instability. Planks train your body to stay strong and stable. Start on your knees if needed. Keep your body aligned and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Gradually build up to 60 seconds. Now combine them into a simple routine. Train 3 times a week: push-ups, squats, and planks. On other days, stay active with light walking or gentle movement. Stay consistent, progress slowly, and your body will respond. Energy improves, movements feel easier, and confidence comes back.